What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a video. Hope you guys are having a great and lovely day. Real quick, before we do get started, if you guys could do me a favor and leave a like on the video, of course, and also subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. I would really appreciate it. Most of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed, so if you guys don't mind subscribing, hitting that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. We're almost at 600. I think we need like 18 subscribers more to hit 600. Guys, help me with that. I would really appreciate it. But now let's get back. So it was raining outside, so I went ahead and opened the box just to make sure everything is good. And here's what we got. So in the box you get this it's like a grease for the coil packs. There are the coil packs right here. I do wish that these were more like printed on rather than just a sticker, but hey, who cares, right? At least a good thing, if you're ever worried about getting pulled over, you could just take the stickers off and they look stock, you know? Boom. Look how much it's raining, guys. We're in freaking LA and it's raining. Look at that. But anyways, we did go ahead and get some new tires only because I have a story for you guys. I won't tell you everything, but I was in the freeway and I hit a puddle and like freaking swerved and like spun out like 4 times, so I almost lost her. Honestly, I don't know how I was able to control her, but I was busting like a Ken block in the highway doing freaking spins and whatnot. But I was able to save her, and I ended up getting some new tires. So for the front, we kept the original, well, not the original ones, but the size. The only difference is that originally we had some 275s by 30s by 20s. Now we have 255s, 30s by 20s. So instead of getting 275, we got 255 only because the shop didn't have the 275 at the moment. And for the rears, you already know I had to get me a little meat. So for the rears, it had the same 275 by 30s by 20s, but we ended up getting 275 by 40s by 20s. You guys can see it is a little thicker. In the future, once these tires wear off, I'm gonna go back to the 275s. And for the rears, we are gonna get some like smaller rims just to run some fatter tires. But for right now, once those go off, we're gonna go ahead and get us some 275 by, I'm trying to hit 45s or 50s and by 20s. So I don't know, we'll see. Now as far as changing the coils, I'm not really sure because I didn't really do much research, but it really shouldn't be much. I think all you have to do is take that screw off and unplug the connector, which is this one right here, and then pop it right out and put in the new one. Repeat the process. All right, now for the actual socket, I'm using this one, which is a 9 by, if it wants to focus, it's a 9 by 32 that I'm using. I don't know if you guys might have different screws or hardware, but this one fit for me, so that's what I'm gonna use. All right, so for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on the side for a time lapse, and we'll get started with the process. So let's get it. Once you're gonna do the screws, pretty simple. All you have to do is, like I said, unplug this, and then the spark plug, just pop it out. And then what you do is you do this. Oh, that's what you do. There's no specific order for these. You just want to make sure that you put them on the same way that they were, or that the original ones were on. And then you're gonna want to put some dielectric grease inside right here. Oh, right in there, just a little bit, not too much. Just a little bit. Pop it back in. Put the screw back on, tighten it. Put the harnesses, don't forget to put those back on. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the installation. Alright guys, so I already went ahead and put all of the coils back in. I even pressed it in. All I have to do now is screw them back on and connect the connectors back on them, which I'm gonna go ahead and do off camera because same process as removing them, just doing the opposite. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then get back to you guys for a startup. So let's get it. All right guys, just like that, we are all done. Honestly, this would have taken me like 30 minutes, an hour max. It only took me longer because I had to record. Now that we have all of them installed, they're all installed, put these back on, as you guys can see. Same with one on top right here. So now we're gonna go ahead and get this started. Let's see if there's any difference. I'll go ahead ahead and give you guys a review while I drive it in a bit. So let me just go change real quick. All right, guys. So I'm gonna have to record it like this because my phone holder messed up. I'm not gonna do a crazy test just because it is raining, and I don't want the same thing to happen again, you know. But as far as like the throttle response, it's really good. Like now, when I turn on the car, it starts off with no problem. It turns on like it's a new car, you know. The throttle like is so responsive now. Like as soon as I press it, it's ready to go. Overall, my initial response to this is a great product, especially if you want to get a little bit more horses out of the engine. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you guys enjoyed the video, like I said, leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.